So another Sean the Drone tip, accessories. Now I've been flying drones since 2014, and I'll be honest, every time a new drone come out, I was there getting all the accessories, the landing feet, a gimbal holder, place on ND filters, antennas to give you more distance. But guys, don't waste your money. These sort of things, yeah, you can get later on in life, but don't get them straight away. I think there's only two most important things, especially with the free, and there's loads of things I've already come out with the free that you can buy online, especially eBay or Amazon. But to me, the most important one is the strap, and it's these hooks here that for the strap. I mean, most people got the strap, they haven't got the hooks. Now I believe you can get these on Amazon just by themselves, so they're really important, I think, because when you're walking about, especially if you're like me, just a one-man show sort of thing, having this hanging down, it's not in my way. Now the other thing with the free, now I bought the Mavic Mini, I bought the Mini 2, all I bought there was just the drone and the controller. I was quite happy with one battery, but this thing, I'm so loving it. It's become, to me, my main drone now. So the fly maul kit, I've got a battery in a pocket here. What it is, I've got, if you notice, I've got my bag on here. I've got the bag that you get with the fly maul kit, 189 euros here in Spain. It's the same all over, I believe. But yeah, get the fly maul kit. You get 2 extra batteries, you get a set of props, you get a cable, obviously you get the charging box as well, which was really useful. But to me, they're the 2 main essentials I think you need to get, guys. All the other things, you know, I've been showing you the ND filters, well, they've been sent to me. And I've been inundated with companies wanting to send ND filters. And if you ever watch my videos over the years, I'm not a great ND lover, but I am using the ND filters, but I wouldn't say that they're essential straight away. If it's your first time flying the drone, I think the main thing about buying anything, don't worry too much about the cradles that you can get. I'm a bit worried about these straps that go across the blades there. Now the bag itself is pretty, you can fit your drone in there. As long as you place it in there properly, it's pretty safe. Obviously you've got your gimbal guard on it anyway. And obviously to me the strap is the other important thing. After that, once you know you love your drone, you got used to how the drone flies, yeah, and then maybe go out and buy ND filters, especially if you want to improve your footage and things like that. I've seen the screen. Do you really need a screen protector? You know, loads of things about what could happen if you fall over. Yeah, if I fall over on this, it's crushed anyway. So no matter what sort of protective stuff I got, they give you sets of blades anyway. I think since I had the Phantoms, I had loads of blades, and I've still got loads of blades I never used. And it comes with a free set of blades. Also, you get another set of blades. So I wouldn't worry too much about the cradle thing. As long as you place it in the bag properly, just make sure that, to me, I think those props are supposed to be free fall anyway. But no doubt somebody's going to send me one now to show you how wonderful it is. But to me, I don't think they're that essential. Another thing I've seen, which I think is a bit daft, is you can get a screen shade. This is bright enough. I can see this with my sunglasses. And I'm in Spain. I don't. Why people have to say, oh, it's too. I've seen another video where they're saying it's too shiny. Really? I just think, if you, I mean, I obviously turn away from the sun anyway, and to me that's, I mean, I'll be honest, I've got the screen full up anyway, full brightness, and to me that's quite adequate. So you don't need a screen save. To me it's a waste of money. But anyway, that's my opinion. That's my tip to you guys. But I'm always open to other people's opinions, what stuff they bought their accessory wise. And yeah, as always guys, hope you find these videos useful. Give it a thumbs up if you love it, give it a thumbs down if you don't, and I'll catch you on another Sean the Drone tip.